TNM staging system for cancer. The TNM system uses letters and numbers to describe the tumor, T, lymph nodes, N, and metastases, M. Each letter and number tell you something about the cancer, tumor, T. The letter T and the number after it describes the size and extent of the tumor. TX means that there is no information about the tumor or it cannot be measured. T0 means that there is no evidence of a tumor. This refers to a tumor in situ. This means that the tumor is only found in the cells. Where it started, it has not spread to any surrounding tissue. T1, T4 describe the size and location of the tumor on a scale of 1 to 4. Node, N, the letter N and the number after it describe if cancer has affected the lymph nodes. The N category only refers to lymph nodes near the cancer. Regional lymph nodes, after the letter N there will be a number from 0, 0 to 3 and 0 means there are no lymph nodes with cancer. Metastasis, M, the letter M and the number after it describes if the cancer has spread. If cancer has not spread, the stage is M0. If the cancer has spread to other parts of the body, it is stage M1. Most types of cancer have 4 stages. Stage 1st to 4th. Some cancers also have a stage 0. Here is a general description of cancer stage groupings. Stage 0. This stage describes cancer in situ. In situ means in place. Stage 0 cancers are still located in the place they started. They have not spread to nearby tissues. This stage of cancer is often curable. Surgery can usually remove the entire tumor. Stage 1st. This stage is usually a cancer that has not grown deeply into nearby tissues. It also has not spread to the lymph nodes or other parts of the body. It is often called early stage cancer. Stage 2nd and stage 3rd. In general, these 2 stages are cancers that have grown more deeply into nearby tissue. They may have also spread to lymph nodes, but not to other parts of the body. Stage 4th. This stage means that the cancer has spread to their organs or parts of the body. It may be also called advanced or metastatic cancer.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा ओनली नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.